right, guys, got my good friend here, Sean Owens from DKC. Sean, give us a 20-second synopsis of DKC.
Everything karting, man. Easy to get in. Come here, you could ride rental karts. If you like what you see on the rental karts, you come over to the racetrack. We got a full service shop, and we can store your kart here and make it real easy to get into karting.
Check this out, storage at DKC. They load it up. If you need carts, this is the place to come.